Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And at the third line we have a button disconnect. You need to tap at this button. And before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list. And if you select to unpair them, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this, just select forget this device button. Now let's disconnect them. So disconnect. And as I said, I just stop Bluetooth connection with them, but still have them at the device list, and I can easily reconnect them by just tap on them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.